can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Litecoin. Litecoin is down 12% over the last 1 week. Litecoin has lost 8.7% of its value over the last 1 month. Huge losses in the altcoin market. The altcoin market is taking a beating. There's fear in the cryptocurrency market. We're no longer in an altcoin season, which market participants are now begging the question, is the cycle over? Are we already dumping straight to Goblin Town? In this video, we'll look at Litecoin's performance against the US dollar throughout its price history. We'll look at Litecoin's performance against Ethereum. We'll also look at Litecoin's market cap, which sits at the $7.8 billion level. Can we still set new all-time highs? Where those critical support levels to watch out for Litecoin in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market is taking a beating. There's fear right now in the cryptocurrency market. Litecoin trades around $102. A lot of market participants are scared. Litecoin's market cap sits at $7.8 billion with a fully diluted market cap at $8.6 billion. We saw Litecoin's all-time high coming in on the 10th of May 2021. Litecoin traded for as high as $412. But since then, we've seen Litecoin dump to Goblin Town. Since then, we've seen Litecoin struggle to rally above $200. Since then, we've seen Litecoin give us a crazy 90% dump to Goblin Town, which in crypto terms is just a regular bear market. Volatility, guys, is the future. It's not a bug. A lot of market participants are not used to buying altcoins. They're not used to staying long in the altcoin market. That's why a little 11% dump to Goblin Town is getting market participants scared. 11% dump for altcoins is just a random day. That's just a pullback. That's just market giving you a chance to buy the dip. If you look at Litecoin's price history, before any major pump to the moon, there's always a major dump to Goblin Town. Let's go back to 2013. Litecoin first pulled down to 62% move down to Goblin Town. What happened after that? We saw a big pump to the moon where Litecoin rallied up by 3,000%. After the 3,000% move, Litecoin dumped again aggressively to Goblin Town, losing 97% of its value. What happened after that? Litecoin picked itself up, went to new all-time highs, rallied up by more than 30,000%. And even in the 2020 bear market, we saw Litecoin dumping, this time around losing 93% of its value. In 2021, Litecoin recovered all its losses, going to new all-time highs, getting to as high as $420. But this time around, market participants are scared. Market participants are saying maybe, just maybe, this time around is different. So there's two camps. There's a camp that believe the cycle is already over. We topped already. Right now, we're deep in the bear market. And there's another camp that believes the cycle is not over. I believe the cycle is not over right now. From the bottom of the bear market for Litecoin, we have seen Litecoin only rally up by 159%. Yes, there's no guarantees for how high the market can pump, but historically, guys, we always see greed at the end of the cryptocurrency market. We always see Bitcoin dominance dumping, and we always see the altcoin season index getting into altcoin season. Now, these three factors, when they come together, when they align in a straight line, that's when I'll start fearing. That's when I'll start running helter-skelter. But right now, I'll still be looking to accumulate some Litecoin below $100. Hopefully, it goes below $100 because the next pump for Litecoin is going to be a crazy pump. The next pump in the altcoin market is going to see a lot of market participants FOMO back in at higher prices. Historically, if you buy low, guys, you can sell high. If you buy when there's fear in the market, you can sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. But if you buy high, you will sell low. If you buy when there's greed, you will sell when there's fear. And right now, there's fear in the cryptocurrency market. A lot of market participants are selling, thinking, you know what, the cycle is over. I can't take this anymore. But historically, buying during a period of fear have proven to be the right decision in the long run. And selling during a period of greed has always proven to be the right decision in the long run. So if Litecoin start pumping, the final pump, we can easily see it rally to as high as $300. Maybe we'll face rejection there. Maybe Litecoin continue pumping. But for us to get to new all-time highs, Litecoin needs to pull out a 300% pump to the upside. And 300% pump to the upside can happen quickly. Historically, the final phase of the market cycle is where most of the gains are made. The final phase of the market cycle is where the big bucks are made. We saw Litecoin go from $100 to $400 in the last 150 days of the previous cycle. Never say never with the altcoin market. Things can get very volatile very quickly. You just have to plan your trade and trade your plan. And one thing is sure, Right now, the market is in greed. At some point in time, the nearest future, we are going to see right now the market is in fear. At some point in time, the nearest future, we are going to see greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. If you look at Litecoin's performance against Ethereum, Litecoin is down bad against Ethereum, but that's what you expect before the final pump starts. The final pump always catch a lot of market participants off guard, and historically, the final pump will see a lot of whales, a lot of sharks in the cryptocurrency market taking their profits from Bitcoin, taking their profits from Ethereum, and funneling those profits into the altcoin market. And one place you expect those profits to end up in, it's in Litecoin. Litecoin is an OG in the market, has been here since 2013. I'll not be shocked to see Litecoin pulling up a 200 to a 500% move against Ethereum in the ending phases of this market cycle. You want to get some Litecoin tokens for yourself, guys? Can get some Litecoin tokens on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on BitGet. Anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Litecoin tokens right there. Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that was designed to provide fast and secure low-cost payment by leveraging the unique properties of blockchain technology. And right now, Litecoin is just doing that. If you look at Litecoin's market cap, sits at the $7.8 billion level. The line in the sand is still at $27 billion region where we got to in 2021. For Litecoin's market cap to get to $21 billion or $27 billion to set a new all-time highs, we need to see a 243% pump to the upside. I never want to say never with all these altcoins. The altcoin market is at the most profitable when a lot of market participants are scared. The altcoin market is at the most profitable when market participants think we're heading straight to Goblin Town. We've gotten towards altcoin season territory. I'll not be shocked, guys, in the next few days, in the next few weeks, we see some altcoins continue outperforming Bitcoin. What's an altcoin season? If 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that is an alt season. Right now, Bitcoin is up just 2.3% over the last 90 days, with a whole lot of altcoins doing better than Bitcoin. Litecoin is up 20% over the last 90 days. I will expect altcoins to outperform Bitcoin the next few days and the next few weeks. If you look at Bitcoin dominance should be dumping. Bitcoin dominance should crater, dump aggressively. Market participants singing Kumbaya, with greed returning back to the cryptocurrency market, with altcoins pumping. I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin dominance dump to as low as 50%. That's a 12% decline in Bitcoin dominance from where we're currently trading. I believe the final phase of the market cycle has to catch market participants off guard. We have to see a lot of market participants go offside. A lot of them believe the dump is coming. They believe that the cycle is over. They believe that sell my altcoins, and then we see those altcoins pumping, and then you see them buying at a very, very wrong time. You see them buying when the prices are high. You see them buying when there's greed. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Are you still accumulating some Litecoin? How high do you see Litecoin going in the coming days and coming weeks? More importantly, do you think a new all-time highs is possible? Where will you be selling for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.